There are messy categories for the awards, and then there are positive categories for the awards. I'm gonna keep it hot with y'all, but I mean, that's to be expected. She is a toxic page, hell. And no matter what people say, we be nosy as fuck over there. I know I do. It ain't been no tea over there lately though. The tea been in everybody else's live, honey. I was mad as hell with some tea last night and didn't nobody share with the live. I said, you know what? Cause y'all be trying to act like y'all be above the tea, knowing good and well y'all be in the views. It is 3 bomb ass clean talkers in the run up for clean talker of the year. Y'all go pick and choose who your favorite is. I don't know if you can vote for somebody outside of the top 3. You will have to ask the host about that. But we will discuss these awards after the live. Once we see who won what topic. Cause y'all know I'm nosy. The tea coming, I had to keep my page safe for Thursday. Oh, hell. Kiki, you gotta keep it cute. You actually been doing okay. I'm gonna need you to just relax. Ma'am, just fucking relax. So QC is in a run-up, Shut the Foca is in a run-up, and I'm in a run-up. And I didn't know y'all had even voted for me. I was like, what the hell? Somebody told me last night. So y'all know that's gonna be a tough one. Cause that's 3 bangers, baby. There she go. If y'all looking for pop, there's my girl. Happy Suds Alexa. Get with her. Fuck with her. You know she got it. And y'all, that cuss out was not for everybody. That was only for the people who was doing too much. Okay? You know who you are. I do not have to put a name on it. Can't even get on here and do free shit. Somebody told me that too. They was like, Sammy, it's gonna be some bullshit in your life. You can't even do free shit on this motherfucker. Alexa, you not selling pop no more? Girl, you know how many people I'm sitting over there? Can't even give back. Whoop-de-doo. Y'all know how much money went into this? Blood, sweat, and tears. I had to drive cross country for that damn pop. I was about to say fucking and just use the less story. I ain't gonna hold you. Cause I had did a dry run the other day. I went to go get the pop so we could have did this live over the weekend. But then when I got to the store, I called before I went. They talking about, yeah, we got it. Then when I got there, they had 1 bottle. You talking about somebody was mad? Mad. smooth it out. Cause the way my back's set up, I'm trying. Hey, Pooh. Did we get KT to 20K? Damn. No. Hold on, I'm about to squeeze, and my name ain't Sarah. Wrong page, ho. No, the wintergreen is not bad. All I can smell is the pop, to be honest. How you gonna come in here and try to ask me to squeeze, cuss me out, and call me the wrong name? That go crazy. Y'all is something else tonight. The 1 year celebration live is canceled. I'll catch y'all this weekend. I'm gonna be done got my page to fuck with y'all. You welcome. I love you back. And be ready for the orders, baby. Because they was like, where you get pop from? I'm like, y'all, Alexa, be for real. Alexa got the pop.